I haven't been really uploading no content. I'm sorry about that, but it's just I'm real busy at work and doing stuff, you know. But a lot of updates to the car, a lot of updates, man, that you guys haven't seen yet. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably seen the updates. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, here's some of the updates right here. So I put the four-face manifold, which was the plan in the first place anyway. I just wanted to see how the motor ran because the motor was a brand new motor from RS Machine. So I had my old turbo kit on there, but this was the plan the whole time, was to do a four-face manifold T4 with the 6466. Not a big turbo at all, pretty small, but it's gonna get the job done. Got the up pipes done also, thanks to One Way Performance. Got that done for me. Got the battery bracket done for me, and thanks to my boy Fernie Built for helping me put this manifold. Helping me put the turbo kit on. And these flanges right there are a pain in the ass, bro. I'll tell you that right now. Oh yeah, also at One Way Performance, they did the whatever they call it, the frames for the up pipes and the dump tube. The next thing that we got going that it should be done tomorrow, working on the coil packs. So I'm converting everything to coils. Already got the new Honda coil pack retrofit kit, brand new from High End. Yep. So the next thing that's left is the coil packs, and also we're gonna roll cage the car because I'm not driving this car down the track with no cage. I don't give a fuck what the homies say. They say, oh, you this, you that. Hey, you can call me anything you want. You call me anything you want, bro. But if this motherfucker lose control, hit the wall, bye-bye, homie. Bye-bye. So this really is gonna get caged up and everything, so it should be straight. And it's gonna be a nice little race car on the street too in Mexico. You know, in Mexico, look, if y'all cops and y'all looking at this, I don't race in California, all right? It's too much traffic. It's too much traffic. The tickets is outrageous. I could pay some Mexican cop in TJ $25, bro, and they let me go. So I'm fucking with them fools out there. I ain't messing with you niggas from Cali, trust me, or Nevada, none of that. It's in Mexico, all right? So yeah, man, stay tuned, man. I got some more updates coming soon. I'm gonna have some updates about the cage getting done, everything. So I'm gonna stay on top of this YouTube stuff, man, because I know, probably some of you guys don't even really care, but it's just something for me to do, you know what I'm saying? So you guys stay tuned and have a safe night. Well, it's the next day, and I got the coil pack set up installed. Thanks to my boy Fernie Built for coming through to helping me out with the wiring, because for some reason I was overthinking that shit. So he came over here and guided me to, you know, well, he fucking actually just did the shit for me. It didn't even take him that long. I'm like, damn. So I guess it's ready to go. Ready for dyno. See what's up with the start. I still gotta clean it up in there a little bit, but everything else. If I can find the key. All right, I got the key. That thing started up like a drop of a dime, bro. No tune yet either. It's crazy. I can just tell the difference from that. Man, I can already tell the difference just from that. Crazy. Yes, sir. Now we got a dyno. That's it. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully,
Yeah, it should be around in this week or so. Yeah, yeah. So let's see what's up.